Wendeke umlando kuleli ngalesibili ebusuku ngesikhathi balandzeli belibhola letinyawo babonakala enkundleni iFNB lapho ke bekudlala khona iBafana neEthiopia kumdlalo wekuhlungela indzebe yemhlaba yangeminyaka lotako letube iseQatar. Kepha ke bekulandzelwa imitsetfo nemigomo ye-COVID-19.
There are 406th match in international football.
Lokusikhuluma ke sekunetinhlelo letitsi kulungiselelwa kutsi nakumdlalo wemanqamu we-MTN 8 balandzeli babe khona.
So when they looked at the football calendar, they realized obviously that the MTN 8 was coming up on the 30th of October, and they identified that as the match actually to bring back the fans. And us as sponsors are excited about it because, you know, football has not been the same without fans in the stadium. And I'm certain that our customers in KZN are looking forward to coming back into the stadium. However, I think it's still early days. They're still investigating, they're still engaging with different stakeholders. And as soon as they've got the logistics pinned down, they'll come back to us and communicate the details thereof.
Bachasi bona bacela abalandzeli betemidlalo ukuthi balandzele imigomo ye-COVID-19 khona lelive litawubuyela esimeni lesikahle.
Certainly, as MTN, we've always been supportive of all the COVID regulations, been supportive of all the measures that, you know, we need to take in order to stay safe from this pandemic. We're encouraging fans to vaccinate. We're encouraging fans to put on their masks, to not let their guard down, because we've noticed that there has been this behavior of fans not really wearing their masks properly. So we're saying to everyone, wear your mask, sanitize, continue social distance, go out and get vaccinated in droves so that we can go back to the stadiums, we can go back to experiencing the football that we had in 2019.
It's only positive for football, you know. As a former football player, I know how it feels to play without fans, you know. Fans, they give you that boost. We call them our 12 men. They give you that boost. Whether you win or you lose, and they give you that extra push. And also for the atmosphere, it's always nice to have fans. So we'll just encourage people to just go vaccinate so that we can go back to the normal.
Badlali baphambilini nabo bathi kungaba kuhle ukuthi kuvunyelwe linani lelitsite lebalandzeli ukuthi libe khona kulomdlalo wemanqamu.
The preferred venue was considered by both Cape Town City, Mamelodi Sundowns, as well as MTN. They chose this venue because it's a world-class facility and has hosted numerous events. Also because it's also a neutral ground for all parties that will be taking part.
Mamelodi Sundowns itawufolana eTulu neCape Town City kumdlalo wemanqamu we-MTN 8 eMoses Mabhida Stadium eThekwini. iSundowns liyadlala kumanqamu alomqhudelwano nga-2008 nanga-2016 isafuna sicoco sayo sekuqala se-MTN 8. Kanti ama-Citizens wona afuna kuphakamisa sicoco se-MTN 8 lihlandla lesibili njengoba enda njalo nangesikhathi asaqeqeshwa nguBenny McCarthy nga-2018.